I paint a mix of brilliant yellow and a little indigo as the base layer of the cloud. By adding more and more indigo to the base color, I can paint the different tonal gradations within the cloud. The advantage of painting clouds using the wet-on-wet technique is that smooth transitions between the different shades of the cloud are created quite easily. The light in the painting depends for a large part on the bright contrast between the blue sky and the glowing right edge of the cloud. I use a barely diluted mix of titanium white, brilliant yellow, cadmium yellow and a pinch of vermilion red. My badger hair fan brush is a bit too wide to soften the transitions. That's why I'm using a makeup brush which my wife came up with. Bamboo handle, veggie hair. It works surprisingly well. Now the reason why I first painted the entire sky blue becomes clear. It makes adjusting the contour of the cloud very easy. I may still need an accent on the left side. Enter the lighthouse. As you can see from this detail, the lighthouse is just a mess. I'm not really a painter of fine detail, and yet from a distance it looks like the Vlieland lighthouse. Moreover, it is the accent I needed on the left side, both in terms of shape and color, and it does what I was looking for. It provides a balance in the composition.